Alright guys, to get the two halves of the bowl put together into one solid ring, we've got to take care of this gap. If you put the two pieces together, there's a gap. Every time there's going to be a gap because there's a little bit of error in each time you cut this. There's really only one way to take care of this, and that's right here with this sanding block. What we're going to do is we're going to take these and we're going to sand them flat. Now before you ask, this is the absolute best way to do this. If you use the belt sander, it's going to ruin it because it's going to sand down too much one way or the other. It just causes catastrophic failure. So this is the way we've got to do it. So what you're going to do is you're going to get one of these sanding blocks. They're the pieces with the 80 grit sandpaper on them on a white piece. They're under the red lathes back there, the very, very bottom right on the red lathes. They need to go back in there when you're done. What we'll do is we'll clamp them down to the table with a blue clamp. Clamp them. You're going to take your piece, set it up like this. You're going to move back and forth. And it's going to sand. You can tell it sands because this area here is going to be sanded differently than this. So if I do this and I color the ends, and I go a couple times, see, it sands them off. When they're done, they'll match up perfectly with no gaps. Now, I have a piece that matches up perfectly right here that I've already done. When I put them together, there are no gaps, everything fits perfectly. So what I'll do with this, when I'm done with everything, is I'll glue them together into one solid ring. This is a lot like you did before. I'll take some glue, put it on both sides. I don't need a paintbrush for this. I'll stick it together, rub it together a little bit, grab my big clamp, and I'll tighten it down. Okay? That's what it'll look like. You'll have perfect glue coverage on both sides. Everything will turn out good. That's how you glue them together. That's what I'm expecting you to do today.